Hi, I'm Clinton and I'm from City Academy, and today we're going to break down how to learn body isolations. We're going to utilize your rib cage, taking it from side to side using 4 positions. So first of all, a nice wide stance, bend your knees. You're going to stick your chest out for me like you're being poked in the back, so your chest comes forward. Now you're going to reverse as though you've been poked in the stomach, so you round the back. So the chest and arch. So arch the back, round the back. Arch the back, round the back. All right? Taking it side to side. This is a little bit more difficult. You've got to make sure you suck in your stomach and lift your rib cage off your hips. Okay, so again, take it over to the side and center and side and center. Or just side to side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Make sure below your waist, none of this moves, okay? You mustn't lean into it. This has to remain static. It's just your rib cage that moves. So we're going to do the 4 positions. So we're going to take the rib cage forward, 1, over to the right, 2, take it back, 3, over to the left, 4, and repeat again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to take it to the left. So you go to the left, you take it back, and to the right, and forward, again, left, and right, and back, and forward. So they're your 4 positions in isolations. Now we want to make a circular movement with the 4 positions. So you're going to go from the front to the right, to the back, to the left. So it should go like this, starting arching the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, chest first, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just practice with that because it won't come straight away. A bit more practice and you'll be able to utilize your rib cage and move it around. And that's how you do a body isolation.